Hi, this is JeffColvin, and today we're going to work on a song called Havana. Won a lot of Grammys this year. It involves these chords: an E minor, a C, a B7, a B7 minus 9, and what that calls for is you laying your first finger across strings 4, 3, and 2, so that instead of with the B, string 2 rings open, with B7 minus 9, it's string 2 at fret 1. I recommend you practice making that change a few times before we start to work on it, so you can stop and work on that. Then it's E minor again, C major 7th, and a B7. As you'll notice, the capo is on fret 3. The song's actually in G, but we're using easier chords. So I've written it out two ways. One is standard notation. That was at the screen below a moment ago. Now I'm going to do strictly rhythm notation with the downs and the ups. So it's pick string open, 6 open, then strum E minor down up, C down up, B7 down, pick string 4, and then strum B7 down, and strum it down again, then B7 minus 9, and then B7 up. The next part is string 6 open, E minor down up, C major 7th, B7, string 4, strum the chord, up, down. Now I'm going to play it up to tempo so you can practice that part and play along with it. And I'd like to interject that I've written this out 3 different ways, this one being the simplest version, then intermediate, then kind of advanced intermediate, plus we have the bass line. So anyway, here we go. 2, 3, 4. And here's the beginning simpler bass part. The keyboard bass part goes along with rhythm part number 1. Here we go. Ready, go. Here's an intermediate level way of playing the rhythm guitar part to Havana. It involves a B7 with F sharp in the bass. All that means is you form your B7 chord, move finger 2 over to string 6. Okay? And remember, a repetitive song like this needs variations. So you want to learn at least 2 of these. So you've got B, C, up, down, B, F sharp in the bass, B, then flat 9, B, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's a bass part that goes with the second level, intermediate level. It uses octave transposition. It's got a bit of a deeper sound. Here's an intermediate to advanced way of playing the rhythm guitar part to Havana. It's very similar. You just strum C 3 times before hitting the B7. You keep utilizing the bass, B7 over F sharp. So E, down, up, C, down, up, down, down on B7, F sharp in the bass, B7, and then up on B7, down on B7 minus 9, up on B7, string 6 open, E minor, down, up, C major 7th, down, up, down, down, B7, F sharp in the bass, B7, so 3, 4. Here's a little bit more of an advanced bass part because it uses more octave transposition and more sound. Remember, we're within the constraints of the capo at the 3rd fret. 2, 3, 4. Now pick a rhythm part and play along. Hi, I hope you had a lot of fun learning Havana and have even more fun playing it. Remember, this only has 4 measures to repeat over and over and over. So you'll want to always add variety. That's why I provided the guitar part in 3 phases: beginning, intermediate, and sort of advanced intermediate, as well as how to replicate the keyboard bass part. So mix and match the parts. You can play either one all the way through, or mix them up. They all happen at different points during the song. So JeffColvin saying take care from Guitar Lessons Unlimited. Till next time, folks. Bye-bye.